So this one's going to be 49.27. Another box of Retrographs. Oops. 49.27. Let's do the teams. Big team that gets the Braves. Yes, this is super weird product, but I kind of like it. And I think we're going to just run through this whole case probably here pretty soon. Rolling the dice. 7 or more. We got 12. And 12. Colorado up top. Braves in 10. All right. Who hit the Braves in 10? Sports Stuff Randy. The randomizer got it for Randy. All right, 1 through 5, guys. Pick a box. Good question. There's a 5. What? Right? What's that mean? Well, this one should say 49.27, shouldn't it? There we go. Did you guys pick a box? Right box? Is that what the pick is? Probably looked great in 87. No, I don't think it looked great in 87 either. I think his pen ran out of ink and he just said F it. One through 5, guys. Pick a box. Dude, I got a ton of autos like that. His pen ran out in 86. I got Cal Ripken. I got David Wells, Roberto Alomar, A-Rod. I got A-Rod when he was a rookie. One vote for 3, 1 vote for 5. Who wants to break the tie? 3 or 5? is done. All right, 3. 3 is the winner. All right, good luck. Wow, that's maybe the first pack we didn't have a, what's his name? Dalton. Frank Castillo. Ooh, what was that? Jeff Reed. Oh, man. Mickey Vernon. For some reason, I thought it was a Mickey Mantle. Mickey Vernon. 1982 Kramer Sports. Which card is this, though? Manager is currently the hitting instructor for the Yankees. I don't know what team. I don't know what team that is. List all the teams he played for. So we'll have to figure that out. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Darren Dalton again. This time it's a Stadium Club. Ooh, Wayne Tollefson. Second base. And a Benji Gill, Texas Rangers. So 2 Rangers in a row. John Jaha, Milwaukee. And a Brian Coling for the Reds. Oh, that's a nice one. Larry Walker. Larry Walker. He'll be a Hall of Famer if he's not already. That's going to the Rockies. Spot 1, Nicholas Mitra. We got Les Pedin, Washington. We have Scott Carl, Brewers. D'Angelo Jimenez, Padres. Corwin Malone, White Sox. Sam Khalifa, 1986 Donruss. One of the Pirates. And Lee Tinsley, Boston. And last hit, Tommy Adams, Seattle Mariners. Anybody know if there's like Hank Aaron and, or I mean Ken Griffey in this? Here's another pen. That is super old. Super old. Tony Cloninger to the Braves. Phil Garner, Dodgers. We got another one of these dudes, or these cards, Al Dark. No idea what we do with that. We might have to random the teams on these, I think. But that is a Braves jersey, so at least this one, you got Braves. Hell yeah. Darren Dalton, number 6. Bang. What is Darren Dalton? What is happening? Louis Thornton. And then we got Eric Fox. Butch Husky, Mets. And a Mick Ignatiuk, Brewers. Senators should be the Twins, right? Washington Senators changed to the Twins. Is that correct? Horace Clark, New York Yankees. Ross Jones, Royals. Bobby Brown Thompson, New York. New York National League, so that must be the Mets, right? Yep. There he is. Darren freaking Dalton. Ken Howell, Dodgers. Felix Fermin, Indians. Bobby Shantz, Philadelphia Athletics. Don't know if we need to change that to Philadelphia Phillies or what. And then we have Roy Face for the Pirates. Last pack. Darren. This is unbelievable. We got 7 Darren Daltons so far in 2 boxes. Rick Camp, Braves. Ross Jones, Royals. Bobby Thompson, New York Giants. New York Giants. And there is our boy. Is this Darren Dalton product? 4 in each box. Jay Howell, Oakland A's. Damian Easley, the Angels. Ooh, what is this? Is this a duel? I think this is a dual auto of guys I've never heard of. Brian Corey and Danny Clausen. And that would be Arizona. Last card, Claude Austin, pitcher for the Dodgers. Rough box, kind of. Larry Walker, the best hit. Obviously, Darren Dalton's on fire. There's got to be some kind of glitch with Darren Dalton. I don't know. Jay Webb, you said you have 4 of those too? Four out of the 5 packs in both boxes. And they're both different types of cards, but here's another Darren. The last one was, I can't remember if it was a Bowman card or what, but so that is a Twins card. Ooh. I've got 4 to sell. The big hit So far is Darren Dalton in every pack. This box was, the big hit was Larry Walker. Supposed to be a Hall of Famer in every box. On to the next box. All right, we got 4 left. We actually have more in the case, but Dalton died in 2017, really? I don't remember hearing that.
Either 3 or 4 boxes.